Question 12. 12 days of the minimum rainfall to require recording were missed in Birmingham in each of January, February and March. What is the difference in the proportion of Birmingham's rainfall compared to the total for all three cities before this data was added and after? Let's find the original proportion of Birmingham's rainfall as a proportion of the total amount of rain. First, we need to find out the total combined rainfall. We can do that by adding up each of these, so for example 1.9 plus 2.3 plus 2.8, and then continuing adding for all 5 months. That gives us a total of 18 inches. The next thing, we need to calculate the original proportion. To calculate a proportion, we need to know what Birmingham's contribution is. Birmingham is all the blue ones, so we need to add up the 3 blue ones here. Sorry, this is 18 inches for January, February and March combined. The original proportion, we need the Birmingham's contribution, so at this one 2.3 plus 1.6 plus 1.9, which we'll put on the top of the fraction, 2.3 plus 1.6 plus 1.9, and then we'll divide that by the total 18 inches. This is a decimal, and a proportion we usually express as a percentage, so we'll multiply by 100. That's approximately 32.2%. Now let's calculate the difference when we actually consider the 12 days of minimum rainfall. We're told here that a day of rainfall has to have at least 0.04 inches of rain, so we need to add on 0.04 multiplied by 12 days, multiplied by 3 months, because we know that they were missed in January, February and March, which is 1.44 inches to add on. So the new proportion is the same calculation here, 2.3 plus 1.6 plus 1.9, but we need to add on 1.44 inches for Birmingham's additional rainfall, divided by 18, and we also need to add on 1.44 as well, because this gets added on to the total for January, February and March. Now multiply by 100, and that gives us an approximate percentage of 37.2%. We need to find the difference in these two proportions. 37.2 minus 32.2 is 5%.